Hey y'all, it's Raegan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that red button down below and join the family. I post new videos twice a week. If you don't know who I am, my name is Raegan and I live and go to college in New York City. Today's background is very different, I know, and the lighting is also not great because I'm using natural lighting, but it is a really busy week for me. Like, I don't know if y'all can see the mess behind me. It's a busy week. It is finals week here in college. I have a big final tomorrow, but I thought I would take a little study break and film a video per a subscriber's request. So today I filmed what I am taking in my backpack to Europe. If you haven't already seen the video of where I announced my 2-month backpacking trip in Europe, you should definitely go watch that video. Before you watch this one, I'll have it linked down below. This video, I'm going to be showing y'all what all I'm packing to live in Europe for 2 months. This is my backpack right here. It's empty because everything that I'm packing is already thrown out all over the ground because I've already filmed this video and I thought I would just do a quick little intro for you guys. This is not absolutely everything I'm bringing. I am still bringing my laptop, my camera that I'm filming on. There's a few toiletry items that I haven't gotten yet, and I may bring 1 or 2 more shirts because I noticed that I was kind of lacking in shirts after I made this video. But other than that, if you want to see what I'm going to be wearing and using for the next 2 months of my life, then keep watching.